good to see you, good to hear from you, old friend. But now I'm thinking about you, those things we have gone through again. And with one eye in history, the other in future's mystery, old love hunts me down, and young lust shakes my ground.
I'm Jeroen, and I'm living with my family, with my wife and two kids in this van already for 3.5 years. We started our journey 3.5 years ago because we wanted to get another life, not living next to each other but with each other. And we decided to go and take a travel all around Europe, and we went also to Morocco. So we bought in the beginning, I think 1.5 years before, we bought this van. It's a Mercedes 407 van, and we completely built it in ourselves with used materials and used wood, and even cupboards that were standing in our living room at that moment. And yeah, that's the thing. We can have a look inside. This is the inside. To begin with, we have over here the kitchen side with a thing where we can cook on, and with a stove also, which is really nice to make nice fresh breads. And next to it, we built from an old cupboard our clothing cupboard. I don't know, with nice handles from a piece of wood we found in the forest somewhere. Here is some storage for the herbs and all stuff we need while we're living here. Underneath here, we have a wall built in here, and underneath there's the man cave of my son. He's sleeping there, and he has his stuff over there and a nice little lamp. Behind the wall, my wife and I, we are sleeping there. It's a small bed, 120 wide and just 180 long, I think. Just long enough for me. Then we have over here a thing that I built for the plates and the glasses and things like that. And underneath, yeah, that's hidden, but there's some storage for towels and things like that. Then here the sink with the water tap, and now this is a bookshelf, but in the beginning it was a storage because we are not full-time traveling anymore. But in the beginning, when we were full-time traveling, there was all kinds of food over here, and like over here it's the coffee and the sugar, but then there was a lot more. Here we have a fridge underneath, and a fresh and grey water tank. It's just little, and in the future I really would love to have bigger tanks underneath the van with like 100 liters or something, because now we always have to be near a water tap and find some water. Then we go to that side, to the front. Over here we made a lifting bed for our daughter. In the beginning, at the back, we had a different style. We were sleeping not sideways, but different. And our kids were in a double bed on top of each other. The wall was standing in the length of the van, and then the kids were sleeping over here, and we were sleeping over there. But it got too small for the kids, and especially for my daughter. So we made this lifting bed, we completely renewed the van, and while driving we can lift it up through the ceiling, and we can easily sit underneath. And over here we made a little door where we can take stuff out of the front of the. Yeah. While traveling, we were just always searching for places to wash ourselves in little rivers or something like that, or public showers. And at one point we saw a German girl with a little van, and she had a tube on her van, and which she could use as a shower. So I thought I can do it myself, and I bought some materials and some grey paint, and I put the long tube on the van, painted it black, and it contains 50 liters of water, and it warms up in the sun. And while driving, we will put this on top of that, so it's closed. And when we want to take a shower, we put this on, and when you just open it, you can have a nice warm, not cold shower. Sweet. This is the back where we have the storage, the main storage of the things that we don't use all day long, or actually some things, because over here there's the food of the dog, and some materials and things that I use for making stuff or repairing the van. Over here we have a long bench with it, two benches with a table to sit on outside, and some things like this for the little pieces. A funny thing that we made also along the road is my son found this piece of cork in the woods of Portugal, and we already wanted for a longer time to make something to put the textile for putting on the bed, and towels and things like that.
It was good to see you, good to hear from you, old friend. But now I'm thinking about you, those things we have gone through.